What's up, viewers? Welcome back to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road. This is our location series, and we are on our way to a roadside attraction in Flanders, Long Island. It is called the Big Duck. People have been coming here for a long time. It's an attraction that people see along the road, this current road that we're on now, coming from the other side. And, they make a stop with their families and they all pose and take a bunch of pictures. So we're going out there to check it out and see if you may like it. And, if you're riding out here, because there's a lot of beautiful roads in Long Island. So hopefully you'll be interested and do a little stop and come with your friends and stuff and take a bunch of pictures. And there it is, right up ahead there on the left. Gonna get into this parking lot here. A little sand going on. I think I just realized I came in from the wrong end of this entrance. It says right there. It says enter here. Okay. What's up, YouTube fans? So I'm out here in Riverhead right now, and we came to visit the Big Duck. It's famous. It's I think a historic site, and it was built for architectural purposes, and then it became the landmark later on. I'll let you know a link on the at the bottom of the screen or in my descriptions, and how to get here. All right. Well, the Big Duck is made of ferrous cement. It was built by a farmer back in 1931. The farmer's name was Martin Maurer, from nearby Riverhead, Long Island, from its original location, and now it is located in Flanders, Long Island. It was used to sell ducks and eggs. Currently, it's a gift shop. And later on, it was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1997. It seems like it's a pretty big draw because a lot of people are stopping by here and taking pictures and a bunch of selfies. So there you go, a little side road attraction out in Long Island, New York.